Buongiorno. We are looking at how to pronounce with a typical Italian pronunciation the name of Italian actor and singer Michele. Do not say Michel nor Michele, but rather Michele. This is Italian for Michael, and the letters CH together in Italian form the sound of K. So Michele, Michele Morone. You do want to stress on the second syllable of Morone, Michele Morone. But it'd be fine in English or American to pronounce it Michele Morone. Michele Morone, or in Italian, Michele Morone. Michele Morone. Here are more videos on how to pronounce the name of famous actors from around the world with words and names that are hard to pronounce. Arrivederci.